Hello everyone, welcome to Hope Medicos. Today we will learn about types of cancer. So basically, what is cancer? Cancer is nothing but abnormal cells in our body which divide without control and able to invade or destroy other tissues in our body. Right? So basically, cancer comprises more than 100 different diseases. Let us learn about cancer types. They are classified into four major types. Okay, first we will learn about carcinoma. So what is carcinoma? If the cancer derived from epithelial cells, that we call it as carcinoma, like cells at surface of our skin and internal organs. It is the most common type of cancer and it represents about 80 to 90% of all cancer. Okay. Now let me move on to the next type, that is adenocarcinoma. In adenocarcinoma, if the neoplasia of epithelial tissue that has glandular origin, okay, here adeno refers to glands like adenocarcinoma of lung, stomach, breast, pancreas and so on. So next we move on to the next type, that is sarcoma. So what is sarcoma? Sarcoma are cancer of connective tissue like bone and muscle. So you may think that blood is also a connective tissue, right? Yeah, it is a fluid connective tissue. Remember, cancer that related to blood and bone marrow are called leukemia. So let us learn about fourth type, that is leukemia. So in leukemia, a group of blood cancer that usually begin in bone marrow. There are two types of leukemia, that is acute and chronic leukemia. So in acute leukemia, according to WHO criteria, the bone marrow contains more than 20% blast cell that we call acute leukemia. In chronic leukemia, if the blast cell in bone marrow and or in peripheral blood less than 20%, that we call it as chronic leukemia. So remember here, in acute leukemia, the blast cell is more than 20%, and in the chronic leukemia, the blast cell is less than 20%. Okay, there are several types of acute and chronic leukemia are there. Remember one key point, that is chronic leukemia may transfer to acute leukemia at any year. That means at any point of our life. So next, let us see the difference between leukemia, lymphoma and myeloma. These are nothing but the blood cancer. Okay, so in leukemia, the cancer arises from bone marrow and it do not form any masses. Okay, and in lymphoma, the cancer arises from any part of our body and it usually form a masses in lymphatic tissue like lymph node. Okay, and in myeloma, it is a cancer that is of specialized WBC, involving the WBC that is responsible for the production of antibodies like B cells. Okay, so at last, this picture may help you to understand the real difference between leukemia, lymphoma and myeloma. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you.